Alright guys, stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you a review on I Am Blessed Hands Snot and the Enchanted Water Gel. So if you want to know more about this, stay right there and let's get it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Katura, and today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to do my edges. I'm going to do my edges with a different company at this time, and it is with I Am Blessed Hands. A lot of you guys have seen them on Instagram. So we're gonna see. Supposedly with this, well, I don't even know, we're gonna open it and see what it is. But before I get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I have videos, you don't have to wonder. It'll just say Katura has uploaded a new video. Let's get into the video. So I wanted to keep it where you can see what it looks like when you get it. It's in red, and I'm basically just cutting it open right now. I know my hair looks kind of crazy, but we're gonna get it together. All right, so it comes in a little bag. Smells good. It is the Unicorn Snot, sweat and humidity proof, impeccable hold, no flaking, for all hair types, fast drying. It is 2.5 fluid ounce. I like that it says that it's humidity proof because I live in Florida and my hair can look like this, and in 2 seconds it'll be horrible. Then I got the I Am Blessed Hands. This is the extra whole Enchanted Waters Unicorn Collection. Okay, a bit of a tongue twist, but that's what that looks like. And I'll go in close with both of them so you can see it. And then basically it's just like a packing slip, and it tells me how much I spent. So on everything it is $24.50 if you were to get these two together. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so that's the Unicorn Snot in blue. Okay, so that's what that looks like. All right, now that we've seen the outside, let's see what it looks like inside. It is packaged really well. I will tell you the shipping took a long time. I ordered this in October 15th. It is now November 17th. So it took a whole month to get it. So if this is something that you end up liking and you're like, okay, I'm gonna get my hair laid for an event, no, order it in advance. For me, I have to really love it to even consider ordering it again, just because it took so long. I reached out to her a numerous amount of times and did not get a response back from her. I did a tag underneath Instagram, wrote her email, downloaded the app called Shop to see, you know, when it would be shipped and to track it, and you can also email her that way. Nothing. Okay, at one point I had to screenshot because she has her number on her website, on her Instagram, when she's like, that's the best way to get in contact with her, and I literally screenshot to call her, and I think like I missed 2 days, and that's when I got the email to say that my package had been shipped out, and I was like, all right, I'ma wait. So just letting you guys know, it does take a month, or it took a month for me. So I don't want to say that's how long it's gonna take for you guys, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a long time. Okay, so I am going to try right now. I don't even know which one to try, y'all. She has her logos at the back here. Okay, so there's a lot of things in here that'll help your hair retain its moisture and protein, which is, it's a little hard to believe sometimes with edge control. It says that it's flawless, long lasting, holds 24 hours, no flaking or oily feelings. It smells good, and it's blue inside, pretty much just like this. The consistency is thick, okay. And I read to y'all the same thing here, directions: apply a small amount and comb it, whatever. It dries fast and quickly, so you have to move fast and furious. So with this one, y'all gotta move fast, y'all. But it says it here that it's fast drying. I usually would put castor oil or something on my edges to get it nice and smooth and protected, but I wanted to get the true feel, you know, true results here with you guys. So here we go. Oh, okay, your girl did not put, she covered it up, which I like that. so I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna brush it in a little bit. And this is what I usually do. Push it back so y'all can really see everything. Okay. And I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. I'm gonna look in the mirror just because I can't, you know, do that. So here we go. I'm applying it. Alright, nothing so far is, we're not moving. We're doing good. This looks really good. Okay, so let me bring it up. That's what that looks like right now. Sleek, and it's in. I'm gonna do up here because that's really puffy for me, so let's see if it can be managed. So before, definitely like that. Right here is curly for me, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more just to see if I can smooth it out. If not, you know, that's just, we're going to just settle for it like that. So y'all can see I'm pushing it in. There it is. Okay, so she's not moving. It feels so smooth. It doesn't feel hard either. Sweat and humidity proof, impeccable hold, no flaking, fast drying. Okay, so right now it does feel like it's drying in there. It feels very smooth though. It doesn't feel hard and crunchy at all. So we're just gonna let that stay in there. I'm gonna wear it all day since it's supposed to have, let's make sure, it's supposed to last for 24 hours, 24 holds or more. So I live in Florida, y'all. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. I'm gonna go outside, get all sweaty, test it out. I'm gonna put some right here. And I'm gonna use the other one so we can compare sides. The Water Enchanted Water Collection. So I'm gonna just put it right across the line, like that. Okay, it is edge control after all, so basically just adjust your edges. Okay, I'm gonna brush it in. So that's what it looks like now. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna style my hair how I like it, change into these clothes, and I'll be right back just to give you guys a closing out of how I feel about the product so far. There's no final thoughts. So your girl's back, and yeah. Alright, the review. Now I will say we got the Unicorn Snot on the left, we got the Extra Hold Enchanted Water Unicorn Collection, which I kind of feel like it's the same thing but different, on the right. And alright, so let's do it. That's what it looks like. I will say, I think when I put it on before, it was more sleek and it held better. It does feel a little bit hard. It's like yeah, it feels hard. I don't really feel like it's super sleek though. Yeah. No, I wouldn't say that. I don't know, maybe I got carried away and put too much, but y'all see what I did. I will say though that my baby hairs, they're not going anywhere, and I do appreciate that. So that's what the Unicorn Snot will give you. I do have 4C here. And now the Water Enchanted, that's what that looks like. I will say that this has a lighter hole. And you can pretty much just brush it back, where I feel like this you would have to put some water, or the foam that she stated, you'd have to put something to kind of ease it up a little bit. I will say that I feel like my edges hold better with the Unicorn Snot. I feel like my edges do hold, but it's a little bit more sleeker with the Unicorn. So this gives it a sleeker look. This still holds, but just not as sleek looking to me. Up here looks really nice. It's not moving, and that was with the Enchanted Water. So overall, I think it did a good job. I think I will test it again for you guys when I have my natural hair and I'm not wearing any weave or anything, just because I feel like, you know, sometimes where the braid is, your hair kind of just stops, so it doesn't get to lay as nice as it's supposed to. So because of that, if I had to rate it, okay, together as a combo, I would give it a, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Only because I like when I do my hair to have a sleek hold, a very sleek finish. But I like that my baby hairs and everything is still in position. I want to make sure it holds all day, and maybe if it holds all day, I'll bump it up to an 8. Separately, the unicorn snot, I will give it a 8 right now out of 10, just because, like, for right now, it does fast, it dries fast, it has no flaking, it does have a good hold, so it's saying what it does. And I do like that when companies deliver what, you know, they come through. Like, don't just put something there to sell it and then, you know, it's false. With Iron Bust hands, I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10, just because I don't think that it has a flawless, long-lasting hold that it says it does. I do get that it does not have the no flaking, it doesn't have an oily feeling, so I do like that, and I think it's worth it. I really do. Like I said, the only thing negative is how long you have to wait to get your package, but for right now, we are liking it. That's my review on both of them. I do think it's worth it. I do think you'll like it. I will have more videos where you see me use it. I will do a part 2 with my natural hair. So thank you so much for watching this whole video. If you did, you a real one. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe already. Comment, tell me, you know, if you have it, how do you like it? If not, are you gonna buy it? Are you interested? Engage with me. I definitely write back. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms, which I leave it down below, which I really just have Instagram. I'm plain Jane, y'all. And catch me on other videos. I do have a coupon down there for Lulu's Holistic. Get your body feeling nice and right throughout the summer, winter, fall, all 4 seasons. I do have a code to give you 15% off, fast shipping, and all of that. And yeah, we out.